But my recommendation, just watch the video. Just try to understand every steps and then just watch it one more time and follow the steps. It's going to be more useful for you. Why I give this recommendation? It's just because when you follow the steps and repeating every step after me, it's going to be hardly stay in your mind. But when you watch the video and understand what I'm doing, it's going to stay in your mind. And it's a goal. It's the main idea. As I said before, we are going to start from absolutely nothing. That's why we need to start from the creating folder. Starting the React project, it means that we need to start node project, npm project. And npm project means we need to start from command npm init. And when I push enter, we have to follow the all questions. But if you want to make a shortcut, you can use -y. It means we are going to say yes for every question inside. Push enter and package.json is created. So package.json is created for us and we don't need to follow all of the questions inside. To continue, we need 2 folders and 2 files. It's going to be much easier to create it in Visual Studio Code. So let's go there. So now our project has only one file. It's a package.json. But now we're going to create first folder. It's src. It's a main source. And second one, it's public. Guys, pay attention. There should be siblings, not inside each other. Next step, we are creating a file. It's a place where our project is gonna live. And in public is gonna be another file, index.html. And now let's create a regular template inside. Here, I'm gonna create only one element. I'm gonna use a shortcut. Why only one element? Now it's gonna be difficult to explain, so just have a patient. I'm gonna explain it just a little bit later. But it's a very common thing. And now it looks like our minimalistic style project nearly done. Only one thing what we need, it is dependencies. To add dependencies, we need to open terminal.